Rule 3 of the COLREGs provides the general definitions used throughout the collision regulations. These definitions help ensure that every navigator understands the meaning of key terms used in the rules. A vessel includes every type of watercraft used or capable of being used as a means of transportation on water. This includes ships, boats, and even non-displacement craft and seaplanes. A power-driven vessel means any vessel propelled by machinery. A sailing vessel is a vessel under sail, provided that machinery, if fitted, is not being used. A vessel engaged in fishing means a vessel fishing with nets, lines, trawls, or other fishing gear that restricts its maneuverability. However, vessels fishing with trolling lines that do not restrict maneuverability are not considered vessels engaged in fishing under these rules. A vessel not under command means a vessel which, through some exceptional circumstance, is unable to maneuver as required by the rules, and is therefore unable to keep out of the way of another vessel. A vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver means a vessel which, due to the nature of her work, is restricted in her ability to maneuver as required by the rules. Examples include vessels engaged in laying cables or pipelines, dredging operations, underwater operations, replenishment at sea, or launching aircraft. A vessel constrained by her draft is a power-driven vessel that, because of her deep draft in relation to the available depth of water, is severely restricted in her ability to deviate from the course she is following. The term underway means that a vessel is not at anchor, not made fast to the shore, and not aground. A vessel is considered making way when she is underway and moving through the water. The word length and breadth refer to the greatest length and the greatest width of the vessel. The term vessels in sight of one another means that one vessel can be observed visually from another. And finally, the term restricted visibility means any condition in which visibility is limited by fog, mist, falling snow, heavy rainstorms, sandstorms, or similar causes. Understanding these definitions is essential because throughout the COLREGs, every rule relies on these terms being clearly understood by the navigator. Before you apply the rules, you must first understand what the rules mean.